morning, kapadjakers! Ay, so day off muna ako ngayon. Hindi muna ako sumama sa ride ng tropa. Pero kanina, nakita ko sila na nagbabike baba ng Olalia and Kogyo. So right now, I'm here at Boso Boso Highland Resort. So we're just gonna have breakfast with my charan! Si Wifey. So kilala niyo naman si Wifey. So it's second time ko na mag-vlog for this restaurant. Actually, it's really cool, cozy, and tsaka ang ganda ng ambience. Lalo na kung pupunta ka dito ng mas maaga. Kasi mas maaga, mas malamig yung hangin, and at the same time, maaabutan mo pa yung sea of clouds na nandito. Pero right now, at this hour, I think it's already 7:30. We're gonna look around. It's not anymore that foggy. Diba? So makikita mo konti na lang yung fog, pero still it's a good scenery. And last time I was here, remember, sobrang lamig ng hangin. Pero ngayon walang masyadong hangin. Diba? Pero still it's a good view. So yun nga yung pinaka-inahabol mo dito. Every time you have breakfast, hindi yung naka-enclose ka sa isang lugar and then wala, you're just looking around on walls. But here, you're looking at a good scenery. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda, di ba? This is nature. And if remember, pag bumaba ka ng Boso-Boso, yung highway na nasa baba, that's the one, di ba? So yun yung going to Palo Alto, going to Sierra Madre, and the rest. Yun yung lake naman ng Laguna, di ba? So people have breakfast here, marami, di ba? So later on, after our breakfast, siguro we're gonna go to Little Baguio kasi they have parts here papuntang Cabading Road. Yung Little Baguio kasi along the road, it's a lot of pine tree na nandun. So I'm gonna check out kung ano yung order namin breakfast, and di ba, masarap naman talaga eh. Kahit na hindi ko na i-taste test pa ano sa inyo, di ba? It's already a good food being served here at Boso Boso Highland Resort. So see you guys, and mamaya marami pa tayong ikutan. Bye! So guys, nakaserve na yung breakfast namin, and I want you to take a look. This is an order ko. It's a breakfast croissant. So it mixed up with bacon, the poached egg. Oh yeah, it's poached egg, you know. Hindi siya fried. And it's mixed with croissant and a butter on top. Diba? So may kasama na siyang brewed coffee. At si Wifey, ang kanyang food ay tocino. So alam mo na yung tosilog. With mix of coffee. Ayan. So say hi, Mami.
Hello.
Ayan. So ganda-ganda ni Mami. And Father, the Son, and Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you for this blessing that we are having for today. Lord, salamat po sa health, and at the same time, Lord, salamat po sa protection from all the viruses, all the danger that we've been encountering for today, or every day. Lord, protect us from Mom, especially our family, and to our loved ones. And sa mag-birthday po ngayon, na aking asawa, more bless her, more life, happy life, and at the same time, Lord, blessings na i-share din niya sa mga needy na ngayon ay maraming nasa paligid namin. Tulungan niyo po kami, mag-provide din po sila sa pamamagitan mo at maging daluyan ng kagalingan itong aming food na kinakain ngayon, whether it's spiritual, physical, and mental. This is my name we pray. Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Guys, medyo erratic ang weather ngayon. Kung papansin mo kanina, it was sun shining bright. But right now, ito mo, nagdi-drizzle. Although from afar, nakita na natin kanina yung clouds na medyo dark. So that is way back parang Sierra Madre area na. Pero since yung movement ng air is going towards our place, yung Sierra Madre, yun o, yung may movement ng clouds. Kaya yung dark cloud kanina is now here and it's drizzling. Kaya yun, biglang naging makulimlim at for sure basa ang kalsada. So sa mga tropa, ayan, the KB92 boys, ingat kayo sa ride, no? Alam ko papunta pa kayo ng Cabading, papunta sa Little Baguio. Pero we'll try after having our breakfast na makadrop by sa inyo para makasama ko kayo sa vlog, no? Ingat guys ha, may kalsada. So guys, tapos na kami mag-compute ng mga expenses namin sa darating na December. Yeah. So ganyan mag-planning si wifey ko eh. From weeks to months, from daily, and from income to expense, di ba? Alam niyo pa accountant. So alam na namin kung kakapusin kami, sakto lang o sobra. So yun. And syempre, iba talaga yung panahon ng December na marami tayo expense pero talagang iba kapag nagbibigay ka kasi bumabalik, di ba? So yun. So kanina nakita nyo guys, yung lugar is kakaunti pa yung tao, but right now, ayun. So dami-dami na nila ngayon at fully occupied na yung mismong Boso-Boso Highland Resort and Cafe. So, if you try to take a look, ang ganda-ganda ng view pa rin sa paligid despite maraming tao. So meron dito mga bikers, meron din mga riders, at ito, puno na rin pati yung terrace nila. So still, kahit katanghali ang tapat, it's still gloomy kasi maraming clouds, diba? Hindi masyado masakit sa balat yung araw dahil hindi nakalabas. Maraming clouds na nagtatakip para magbigay ng shades sa mga bumabiyahe. So, I'll just take you a tour around Boso-Boso Highlands Cafe. So, ito yung bar nila. So, meron silang coffee shop. Ayan yung barista nila. Ayan. So, sila yung mga nag-serve dito. Sir, kaway-kaway dyan. Shoutout, shoutout! Shoutout boy, pao! Ayan, shoutout kayo! Shoutout sir! Boso-Boso Highlands Cafe po! Dapat na ano, busy sila, mamaya na natin sila istorbohin. So ikot ko lang kayo dito sa Highlands Cafe. Medyo marami na yung tao, pero nililimit pa rin naman nila yung pumapasok dito. So they have a lobby, ito yung pinaka-lobby nila. And this is the reception. So, tingnan natin yung rates nila dito. So, yung rates ng hotel, wala kasing tao ngayon. So, it operates yung hotel from 2 p.m. yung standard check-in time. And check-out time is 12 noon. Almost regular, the same lang with other hotels. They also have souvenir shop. And meron silang peak season tsaka non-peak season. Ayan. So, mamaya, nandito na yung receptionist, they will ask for their rates. So, titignan nyo yung resort. Ayan. Maganda yung place niya, outside. Ayan. So, kita nyo, marami rin bikers na dito nag-breakfast. Lalo na sa umaga. And hindi ko pa na-try sa hapon, pero I would like to try na mag-visit dito ng hapon kasama yung mga kids. So ito how it looks like from the outside. Diba? So, maganda, malaki yung parking nila, it's very spacious. And at the same time, may social distancing naman yung mga tao. So it's kahit pa paano, medyo disciplined naman sila. Hi, kaway-kaway ka ma'am. Invite po sila dito. Sa Boso-Boso.
Punta na po kayo dito ma'am. Maganda dito. Hello po.
Ayan. So siya tayo nag-reception. So ito yung hallway from the first floor. Meron din silang basement. Hindi ko lang alam pag night time. Ayun si Jao Mapa. Oh. Sipag. Ayan. So wala tayong mapagtanungan ng rates kasi walang tao sa reception nila. So baka mamaya na lang. So kung nakikita nyo guys, yun yung pinaka-swimming pool nila dito. One below, the second one sa middle. Meron pa din sila sa top floor and they have a playground sa taas. So kapag nag-check-in kayo dito, mag-enjoy talaga yung kids and pwede silang mag-trail, maglalakad sa baba. Ayan, kung makikita nyo, there's a Statue of Liberty there. That's another park dito. Tapos, yung sinasabi namin sa inyo kanina na we'll be going to Little Baguio, doon yun banda. And yung last video ko, if you remember, yung Camp Sinai, yun oh. Nakita nyo yung tuktok ng build ng mountain na yun. That's Camp Sinai, sa likodan nun mismo. Yan. So dito hindi nyo lang masyado natatanaw yung windmill, but meron dyang windmill, that's yung kumbaga parang banggi sa Ilocos Sur dito sa Bugarin yun. Diba? Kapag umaakyat ka, going to Hala-Hala, madadaanan mo siya. Okay? So, take ko lang si wifey, then we'll go to Little Baguio later on. See you guys. So guys, marami tayong biker. Alam mo naman tayo, bike enthusiast tayo and bike vlog talaga tayo kapag jackers, di ba? So we got to meet a lot of bikers here.
Chino Galvez.
Chino Galvez. Hello? Kyla Hortaleza.
Follow niyo rin siya
Girlfriend
sa Instagram.
Okay, sa Instagram.
Kyla Hortaleza.
Hanap nga natin.
Marami
yan.
siyang mga biking pictures, tsaka mga
Yan.
nagpo-promote din siya.
So, halos pareho pala tayo, di ba?
Hello po.
Ayun, so sila couple ride sila for today. Meron lang siya lang isang friend na kasama. Third wheel. The third wheel.
Sure, first time sa Boso-Boso, kaya
First
i-enjoy.
time. Talagang maganda dito guys. So kayo, maraming beses na pabalik-balik.
Dapat click like, tsaka subscribe.
Yan, okay yan. Sige. So ayun. So yeah, shout out ba sa mga friends nyo dyan, mga grupo nyong bikers.
Opuslan, Colnago, Manila.
Ayun,
Sila Boss
Opuslan.
Shintaro, Boss Harley, Boss Lil, Boss Glenn.
Yan.
Thank you sa pagsuporta.
Yan. So si sir, pakilala. Anong name sir?
Leandro.
Leandro. Okay. So may isa shoutout ka ba? Kasi sabi first time mo daw dito.
Girlfriend mo nadadali mo dito.
Kay Ahay Lopez tsaka sa akin ng ladies na rin.
Wow, okay Kala ko si Ira Lopez. Ibang Lopez pala to.
Mas magandang Lopez to.
Ako pare. Ma'am Ira oh, may sinasabi. Nakasubscribe din ako sa kanya. Okay lang yan, diba? Siyempre, love your own. Yan. Diba? So guys, saan kayo papunta after this?
Uwi na.
So they are from Taguig, so that's why nag-try din sila dito. Yung mga tropa, di ako sumama ngayon. Sabi ko siya, date day today, lalo ng mga tropa. So we'll be going to...
Date din pag may time.
Oo, kasi ang tawag doon, Mrs. Permit, lalo na pag nag-kasama. Dapat di ba mas mahaba?
Walang ganun.
Walang ganun.
Kaya sabihin unahan niyo sila eh.
Kasi usually iba nag-overnight, di ba? Sa mga...
Ma'am, kukunin po ba yun?
Yan, 24 hours.
Okay na po.
Yan. So guys, we'll be going out na. Just waiting for my wifey. We took the bathroom. Ayan. So, hopefully marami pa tayo mamimit outside. And salamat for the new friends na bikers. Hope to see you around. Kasi Pasig lang din kami tropa. We've been going around. Na-try nyo na Sierra Madre?
Yes, ma'am.
Iya, kita mo. Ang lakas. Si ma'am, kaya?
Wala.
Wow, ang lupit! Bilib na bilib ako sa mga nagsishare Madre. Then, next time, Laguna Loop. Kaya. So, salamat guys sa pag, being part of my vlog. And so, hopefully, marami tayo makita. Just makita nyo yung KB92 boys. Meron kaming logo naman doon. Then, kaway lang. Then, shoutout. Lalo pag may mga friends ko. Okay. So guys, hintay ko lang si wifey. But si wifey, pag mabalik before I go. Yan. So this is my second time naman na nag-vlog na dito sa Boso-Boso. And food is really great. And at the same time, the place is really great. Lalo na yung panahon na napunta kayo dito, windy. Tsaka yung makapal pa yung fog. Lalo na pag early morning.
Compare po. Tsaka pag malamig, December to January, February, masarap po.
Yeah. So guys, kanina walang tao sa reception, but right now meron na. So magtatanong na tayo ng rates nila. Ayun si sir. Ayan, sir. Magtatanong lang kami ng rates dito.
Apo.
So, magkano ba dito sa Boso-Boso pag nag-check-in?
Yung standard namin sir, 2,500 po. Good for 2 na yun sir. Tapos with 2 complimentary breakfast. May access na po yun sa resort area namin sir.
Okay.
So ito po yung mga rates po. Resort and hotel po.
Ayan. So, ito may rates sila nakasulat dito. The standard rate is 2,500. Good for 2. Paano pag ang kids? May kasamang kids?
Pag kids sir, pag 3 years old, pwede naman po siya kasama sa
Room.
Pag 4 years old pataas sir, kailangan po meron na po
Additional. How much yung additional nun?
Ngayon sir, bali yung additional po namin sa kwarto po is hindi po siya ngayon pwede dahil pandemic po.
So, isi-separate room sila? Ganon?
Or pwede po, kukunin nyo po is yung family room sir.
Okay. The
Na good
family
for
room.
4 po.
So, parang 4,000?
Yes po.
Okay. So, ilang kama meron doon?
4 single bed sir.
4 na single bed. Okay. So, at least if you have a family, katulad ko, I have 2 kids. Kaso both of them are 11 and 14 years old. So, may additional packs or the family room na lang. Hindi na kasi pwede yung kasama sila dun sa single room. Okay. So, yun. At least, if you have family, this is the place to be. Actually, I have already inquired dito for group kasi meron kami dapat natuloy last year na this year pala, last January 19 napareserve ako nun kasi di kami natuloy. Ano yun? Company. So parang outing namin. So si Sir Pao, si Sir Pao is our receptionist and ma'am
Rose po.
si Ma'am Rose. So, yan. So pag nagpunta kayo dito, they have very friendly mga staff and at the same time napakasarap ng food and coffee nila dito. So if you want, drop by muna, try nyo muna yung food and cafe and the view. Then later on, pag nagustuhan nyo, pwede kayo mag-check-in. And they have good rates, very affordable naman to yung mga rate na to. And you don't need to go far from Manila na magto-toll gate ka pa at pupunta ka additional na gasoline dito. Okay na okay sa Boso-Boso. Yeah? So, Sir Pao, Ma'am Rose, you have shoutouts?
Alam sir, kamusta sa mga ano?
Ako sa baby ko, Sophia.
Ayan, yung siyempre mister, hindi kasama.
Kasi nagkasama yung anak ko. Daddy ko.
Yan.
Hello.
Kamay-kamay na. Ikaw sir,
Good health lang po sa lahat. Thank you
walang
po.
group, walang group.
Wala po.
Yun. So kasi may mga friend ako from You Love Yourself. Yun, meron sila mga grupo doon. Kasama ko rin nagbabike doon minsan. Okay. Ingat. Thank you po, ma'am, sir. So, we already have the rates and at the same time, yung place siguro tsaka na lang natin kasi mukhang marami silang ginagawa and I don't want to bother them lalo na sa mga rooms. So guys, ito yung Boso-Boso Resort mismo. So, inikot lang namin. They have a table tennis here and a restaurant na kahit pa paano. And may mga kubo-kubo sila that you could stay habang nagsiswim. Di ko pala na alam kung may day tour lang sila dito. Pero I think meron naman. Ito yung mga poolside nila. Ayan. So if you try to look, may lifeguard naman sila. Diba? Ang sarap magpunta sa pool nila. Then baba rin kami papunta dun sa other pools here in Boso-Boso Highland Resort. Ayan. So yun yung lifeguard nila. Kaway-kaway sir. So silip lang kami dun sa pool sa baba. Yung kaninang tinatanaw nyo is eto na yung mismong pool. So this is the second pool. Yung nasa middle. So the first pool is more on kids. The second also is for kids. The third pool, I think medyo mas malalim na. So I don't think hindi na pwede sa bata yon. So ikot pa rin tayo guys. Ito na yung pinaka poolside nila. So if you be checking in here in Boso-Boso Highland Resort, you'll get to experience kasi it's for free na. You don't need to pay anything. This comes free with your accommodation, the use of the pool, the amenities, and all our other things. Ang hindi ko lang alam dito if they have gym. So this is the fourth pool here in Boso-Boso Highlands. So I think nakasulat may 4 feet, may 5 feet. So kids siguro hindi na pwede dito. Ayan. So may mga nagsiswim din dito. And ang ganda-ganda and it's refreshing. Lalo na ngayon kung ngayon ka pupunta kasi hindi siya masyadong maaraw. So getting sunburned is not part of it. Ayan. So masaya, di ba? Ayan, titingnan mo yung buong lugar. So very refreshing. Dito wala masyado. Pero I think this is an adult pool. Mukhang malalim. Hindi ko lang nakita yung kung ano sukat. Ayun, this one is 3 feet, 4 feet, and then 5 feet. So pag may kids kayo below 3 feet, don't bring them here. And down here guys, meron din silang mga trail. So kung iikot kayo dito, yan, iniwan ko na si wifey kasi may kausap siya doon. So meron siyang daan pababa doon. Ewan ko lang kung papayagan nila magbike sa loob. And try to look down here guys. Meron din silang tinatawag na zip line here. Di ko lang alam saan ang bagsak ng zip line nila. Yan. Kaso I think it's not operational for the moment. Dahil nga medyo nag-stop na sila muna ng accommodation or restriction dahil syempre maraming requirements. But this is a zip line going there. Diba? Ang cool. Ang saya. Diba? Pwede rin kayo daw mag-trek dyan. All naman is well paved. Lahat naman siya is well cemented. Walang rough road. So it's really great to be roaming around here. At saka yung gradient ito, kung ibabike mo, grabe oh, ang taas. So I think medyo mahihirapan ng pag-ahon dito. So let's try na rin kahit pa paano. Yan, akit tayo. Samahan nyo ko. Alam nyo naman tayo, gala tayo. Everything here na pwede mong ma-enjoy or ma-explore, explorein natin, diba? So meron silang shower and restroom malapit lang dito. But I think this one is mas maganda. And we could take pictures here ng overlooking oh. Oh, there's a church there. Diba? Tapos may swing. Paikot. Ngayon nahanapin ko na si wifey. Ayan, ang ganda ng view dito. Diba? Ayan. Kasi ito is called Twin Peaks. So I think it's well accommodated naman pag dito ka pupunta. Yan, laki ng lugar. Enjoy mo. Morning ma'am. Yan. So meron din sila dito mga gazebo. So saan I think you could rent it for a day. So kung day tour ka lang, this is also a place. Ang ganda ng view. Diba? Ayan, no? This will gonna be your view once you get to rent lang a day tour itong place. Pero ako, I suggest instead of a day tour, mag-overnight na kayo kasi you get the feel, yung breeze, yung lamig na para ka na rin nasa Baguio or let's say Tagaytay once you're here. Kasi ba't ka pa magbabayad ng day tour kung libre mo naman siyang makukuha once you get accommodated here. Konting difference na lang, you got a bed pa, an overnight, you could stay. You don't need to travel pa pabalik after a day na napagod ka mag-swim, diba? But I tell you, sulit, diba? Sa view pa lang, sulit na. And they have a park here. Meron silang tinatawag na pwede nyo gamitin for team building activities. Yan, kung makikita nyo, if you have team building activities, ito yung open ground nila. Just like you see in Bakasyonan Resort, pwede kang mag trail. Yan, para sa mga group nyo. And ito yung mga kubo nila, marami pa. I think they're ongoing renovations and upgrading. So, it's kinda raining na. So, siguro dito na matatapos yung vlog ko, no? So, guys, if you're new on my channel, please do like and subscribe. And isa lang to sa mga pupuntahan natin at sa marami pang napuntahan at mapupuntahan pa natin for the day. So, ito pa yung function room nila. Ayan. So, lahat dito is all in na. And I know ABS-CBN already conducted their team building activities dito kasi nakasabay ko sila ng schedule last January 19. Okay, so it's raining, guys. So, see you! Woohoo! Swimming! Takbo!
Second, I'm freaking it out. Cause I was trying to touch it, I was peeping it out. They turned around and was trying to put my dick in the mouth.